Welcome to today's deep dive into market mayhem. I'm Goro Keita, guiding you through the complex intersection of technology, crypto, and macroeconomics. Today, we are examining a perfect storm of volatility, with the IHSG index plummeting 172 as crypto and tech stocks face intense pressure. Our goal is to separate the signal from the noise and understand the underlying drivers of these trends. Remember, this analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Skene 2 The next layer changes the story. First, let's look at the Indonesian stock market. The IHSG has been under significant pressure due to global economic uncertainty and domestic concerns, reflecting broader investor risk aversion. The decline in trading volume suggests investors are adopting a cautious wait-and-see approach, awaiting clearer signals before making their next move. Skene 3 What most people miss is this. Next, we examine the crypto market's mixed performance. While Bitcoin Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam a modest increase of 9 and Ethereum rose by 5, other assets like Solana face steep declines, with a 143 drop in the last 24 hours. Understanding this requires considering broader macroeconomic trends impacting investor sentiment. Skene 4 Sen from another angle, the problem shifts. The volatility in the crypto space is tied to fundamental debates, such as the security of Bitcoin post-halvings. Despite ongoing discussions, investors must remain cautious and informed about the potential risks and opportunities within this volatile market. Skene 5 The consequence becomes clearer here. Shifting focus to technology, we see major industry shifts. High-profile executive moves, such as Apple's Vision Pro executive reportedly joining OpenAI's hardware team, underscore the critical role of AI and machine learning in shaping the tech landscape. Skene 6 Behind that signal, a larger pressure is building. Behind that signal, larger infrastructure projects are facing scrutiny. Elon Musk's vision for orbital data centers is being questioned by entities like SoftBank regarding their feasibility, scalability, and environmental impact. Skene 7 The next clue narrows the story. In the realm of decentralized technology, advancements focus on decentralization and security. Projects like epicrawl are creating open web champs, demonstrating how these technologies can enable new forms of data sharing and collaboration across networks. Skene 8 At this stage, the old pattern starts to break. On the GitHub radar, there is growing activity in AI and security. Repositories like DeepSpec offer full-stack code for speculative decoding algorithms, while Exploiterium provides vulnerability research with OOPS, highlighting the critical intersection of development and security. Skene 9 What makes this matter is not just the event itself. The focus on security is evident in repositories like Exploiterium, which archive public exploit POCs and vulnerability research. This underscores the growing necessity for robust security practices across the entire tech industry. Skene 1 No Finally, every clue points to the central question. Finally, macroeconomic pressures are visible in precious metals. Gold and silver prices have settled lower, reflecting broader investor risk aversion as investors seek safer havens against market volatility. Skene 1 The first pressure point is this. In conclusion, the market landscape is complex and multifaceted. Investors must remain informed, cautious, and adaptable to understand the underlying drivers influencing technology, crypto, and macroeconomics. Stay informed on these interconnected forces.